Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a simple but powerful story with you. This story is not only for listening practice, it is also to remind you that effort can change a life. In a small town near Green Hills lived a young man named Adam. He was only 21 years old, but his heart was full of dreams. Adam wanted to become a successful businessman and support his family. He did not want luxury, he only wanted stability, respect, and a better future. Adam's family lived a modest life. His mother worked long hours at a local cafe. His father repaired bicycles and tools in a small garage. Money was always tight. Some days were harder than others. Still, Adam never complained. Every evening, Adam sat near the window and thought about his future. He often asked himself, "How can I change my life when I have so little?" One night, his father said something that stayed in his mind forever. Life does not give rewards for free. If you want more, you must give more effort. The next morning, Adam decided to act. He noticed that people in his town loved hot drinks, especially coffee and tea, but there was no small cafe near the bus station. Travelers always complained about it. Adam saw an opportunity. The problem was simple and serious. Adam had no money to start a business, no equipment, no place, no experience. Instead of giving up, he started asking questions. He spoke to shop owners. He watched how cafes worked. He learned by observing. One day, Adam went to an old man named Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis owned a small coffee supplier shop. Adam said, "Sir, I want to sell hot coffee near the bus station. I cannot pay now, but I promise to return the money after selling." Mr. Lewis looked at him carefully. He asked, "Why should I trust you?" Adam answered calmly, "Because I am serious and I am not afraid of work." After a long silence, Mr. Lewis agreed. He gave Adam a small coffee machine and ingredients for 1 week. Adam woke up before sunrise every day. He set a small table near the bus station. He smiled at people and spoke politely. At first, many ignored him, but Adam stayed patient. He offered small samples. Slowly, customers came. By evening, he sold everything. Adam returned the money exactly on time. Mr. Lewis nodded with respect. "You are welcome to continue," he said. Weeks passed. Adam worked every day without rest. Cold mornings, hot afternoons, long evenings. He saved every coin. After 2 months, he bought his own small machine. One day, a customer said, "Why don't you create your own drinks?" The idea scared Adam. He had never done it before, but he remembered his father's words. Learning was not easy. Many times the taste was wrong. Some customers complained. Adam felt tired. One evening, he almost quit, but then he thought about his family. He stood up and tried again. Little by little, his skills improved. People started returning. They trusted him. Later, competition arrived. A modern cafe opened nearby. Adam's sales dropped again. This time, Adam did not panic. He listened to feedback. He improved quality. He kept prices fair. He stayed kind. One rainy night, a storm damaged his stand. His equipment broke. Adam felt hopeless. But the next morning, people surprised him. Customers helped. Neighbors supported. Someone brought tools. Someone donated supplies. Adam learned something important that day. When you work honestly, people notice. After 1 year, Adam opened a small cafe. It was simple, but warm. He named it Second Chance. Today, Adam is still working, still learning, still improving. He understands one truth clearly now. Nothing valuable comes without effort. Failure is not the end, it is a lesson. If you are listening to this story, remember this: your situation does not define your future. Your actions do. Nothing is free, but everything is possible.